lash upon lash. And what do volume mascaras do? Do y'all know? They just build up product. And so your eyelashes look voluminous because there's more black building up. And that's what this is. It's just building a coat on top of a coat on top of a coat. What's good about this is because the little comb-like spoolie is, it takes off a good bit of it, so it makes it nice clean lines and it doesn't look so gooky. So it has a nice end look, is what I'm trying to say. I'm purposely doing it slow and pulling up to kind of give a, what am I trying to say? Almost like an eyelash extension look, which that's what it calls it, but make them look longer. Bend it back real slowly and go up. See how that kind of fans it out a little more. Now, I could make these longer by tipping out the ends. But typically if you do that this far in, like we've already got a coat or two on there, just tip the ends straight down. So it doesn't build up little balls of mascara right at the ridge, right at the waterline. So that's pretty good. You can go ahead and tip out the edges. Just make sure you got the ends. And that is the end look with Thrive Causemetics. Thrive Causemetics, like for a cause. That's what they do. They give money to causes. And it's called Liquid Lash Extensions. And again, the reason I think it looks like extensions is because you're building product on product, and it's got a good comb to comb it through all the way to the end, so it has a longer look. And this is really easy to get off. You don't need waterproof makeup remover, but if you use the Neutrogena, and it says at the bottom, even removes waterproof mascara, they ought to just have a name that's not long like that. I hate when people have these long names. It's just like, when you're trying to tell people about your product, it takes too long, y'all. Oh, by the way. But anyway, I'm sorry, what was I saying about this? I would get this if I were you. Causemetics. Thrive Causemetics. I'll link it below. I wanted to show you my new necklace. Isn't that pretty? I love this little chain part right here. It's that, what's the name of this link? I forgot, but anyway, I love that link. That's what all these little ones are. It's what this is. Now this is real gold, and this one, the 3 one, is real gold, but they tangle all the time. It drives me crazy, but I did get them from Ross Simon's. And this I got from that little boutique the other day. And I don't remember who makes it. Anyway, let me see how close I am to being over. I'm sure I am over, and that this is 2. Is it? Yes, it's just a little bit over. Okay, so this is a little tip to you older ladies. I think I'm looking younger because that side's darker. Anyway. This is a tip for you older ladies, that when you put your makeup on, it settles a little bit into your wrinkles. One of the best things you can do is just rub past the wrinkle like this. And that just kind of gets it out of it. You don't want to set wrinkles. You don't want to have makeup sitting down in it. And that's where I can use my little cloth here. So this is the end look. And this is the look with me having glasses because, you know, I do have glasses now. And they are a pretty regular part of my life, which I hate. Y'all, those little... This drives me crazy. I'm going to have to cut it. Okay. Oh my goodness, Bethy. You did not just trim your bangs on. I did. I did. There. I got hairs all over my shirt now. But at least they're out of my eyes. Oh my gosh. Beth, what have I done? It doesn't look too bad. And the thing is, when I brush this a different direction later, all those other little ones are going to fall down. And so this will just be more like texturizing. I just did. That's my story. I'm sticking to it. So I was going to add this to over the top. But one thing I learned about S&S, they are not set with acetone. Acetone removes them. That's how you get them off. So I can't, if I do put a fingernail polish on, I can't take it off. So that's why I like gel. I don't know what I'm going to do because I really like having fingernails, and this is telling me that it doesn't like them. I don't know what to do, y'all. Y'all got some suggestions? Please comment below and tell me what your suggestions are. Should I go ahead and put this orangey red on? This is called blood orange, I think. Orange blood. This isn't very red to me, y'all. This is very orange to me. I think this was the darker shade too. So can you imagine how neon the other orange is? But I needed an orange, not just a peach. This is kind of, it's called light rose, but to me this is almost like a peach on me. That's why I wear roses, because almost everything goes to the brown or the orange on me, because I'm so blue toned. Does that make any sense? That's Beth logic for you. But anyway, I know one thing I wanted to do. I wanted to add a little contour. I think I've got a good amount, but I'm going to use this. This is the Charlotte Tilbury. And there's the product. And this is she has one that is a bronze and highlighter, and she has one that is a bronze and blush. And I like the bronze and blush one. Let's do a little rosier. Just a little. You don't need much of this at all, y'all. It is so pigmented. Oh my gosh. I need to clean my glasses. Okay, so that was just a little touch up. Just a little touch up. Don't want my nose so out there. I don't want my nose out there. So anyway, well, I'm just going to cut this one short because, you know, I should. I'm going to put this back on. So this is my bracelets for the day. I do little fashion statements. So I'm mixing silver and gold. So this is gold and black because I got on black pants. And this is silver and gold. And my watch is silver, gold, and black. And there's that. So, okay, y'all. Oh, and this is kind of, well, it's gold. And then this, the little white stone with black lines in it. It's very white. Uh-oh, this is kind of creamy colored. This is the one that I showed you before. And it's got like a little skirty thing that comes out the bottom. And it's very flattering. If you know what I mean. And I need those. So I'm going to take this. And sometime today I'll have an orange mouth. Maybe I'll vlog when I do. Okay, bye!